him that money back.
Thank you so much. I welcome you to Politics Today. I'm your brother, Secret. Police extortion in Southeast is getting out of hand. It's as if police daily sets up official toll gate, 2 poles apart on every road within Southeast. They frustrate ease of doing business. They exploit the people. The Igbo man spent billions of naira paying toll gate fee, illegal toll gate fee, to security agencies, uniformed men, carrying out illegal activity not known to law, criminality of the highest order, in broad daylight. I'll play a video. I really don't know who recorded that video. I really don't know the officer that challenged this wickedness in one particular checkpoint.
Give him the money back. Hey! Stop! Stop! Give him that money back. Go and give him back. Give him the money back. Come, why did you collect money from him? Why did you take money from him? Did you buy anything from him? Did you buy anything from the driver? So why did you collect money from him? Why did you collect money from him? Shut up your mouth. Who is your commander? Go like this. Go like this. Why did you collect money from him? The other CP said Agoki went round. What is the whole vehicles? The drivers, what is going on? Can't we do this right? Can't we do this right?
But the people should be encouraged. The people should be strengthened to defend themselves, to say no to this intimidation. It is true that so many people have been killed for refusing to give 200 naira or 500 naira or 1,000 naira. They lost their life. People said, oh, he should have given the money. But then, we have allowed this illegality to become part of the life of the people. It's not a way of life. But it does not speak well of our country. International community are worried about the decay ravaging Nigeria, how Nigeria is just moving backward, how criminality is being legalized. Government cannot be an organized crime. Let them do something to free the people of Southeast from this bondage, from this security siege. People are on the road, not to provide security, but to exploit the people. It is not too good. Let there be a system of tracking down these lawless policemen. And there should be official checkpoints. Let the location of that checkpoint be mapped out. Every other illegal checkpoint, let the people be encouraged to ignore any policeman seen on such illegal duty. And let there be monitoring team running on the road every now and then to track down these people wearing uniform, carrying AK-47 and perpetrating all manner of illegality, all manner of criminality using official government uniform, government vehicles. Let something be done. The Igbo man is going through a lot at a time like this. this APC government for the past 10 years is the worst thing that happened to the Igbo man. It's the worst thing that happened to the Nigerian people. And every day, the situation gets out of hand. Nobody is looking for a solution. Let something be done to save the people of Southeast from police extortion. Let us act fast.